Laying the budget of 273.9 billion naira before the State House of Assembly, Governor Ademola Adeleke said the proposed budget has 180 billion naira as capital expenditure, while 165 billion naira will be for recurrent expenditure. The governor further explained that the budget is designed primarily to target recovery and rebuilding of the state's economy.
I'm highly delighted to present to you and the honorable members of the Assembly the 2024 draft budget tagged, I repeat, tagged, Budget of Reconstruction and Recovery. The tag for this budget reflects our current focus of rebuilding the battered state we inherited. It's a sign we are targeting recovery after successful revamping of all sectors of our society.
The Speaker of the Osun State House of Assembly, Ademola Adeleke, said the legislature will scrutinize the proposed budget before passage.
I want to remind the heads of ministries, agencies, and government parastatals that the Osun State House of Assembly expects thorough accountability for previous appropriations, disbursements, expenditures. We will continue to exercise our full authority as a parliament to hold you accountable for taxpayers' money.
The governor also sought the continued support and collaboration between the executive and legislative arm for the overall benefit of residents. Adeola Adeleke, AIT News, Osogbo, Southwest, Nigeria.